What's one sure way to make sure you hit your goals?
When is the last time you thought about the dream life you wish you were living?
If you're a visual, artsy kind of person, then a vision board will be the perfect solution for you. If you're more of a wordsmith or creative writer at heart like me, a written vision in a vision journal will be best.
To learn how you can make an inspiring vision board, stay tuned. We'll be right back after this.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. In case we've not met, I'm Dana and this is my husband David. We coach online marketing solopreneurs to achieve positive cash flow and liberating profit in their businesses. Be sure to leave us a comment, like this video, and subscribe to our channel so we can help your business grow.
I'm going to ask Dana a few questions today as we look at the power of a vision board to help you hit your goals. First, Dana, what is a vision board?
Well, a vision board is simply a tool for visualizing what is important to you, goals that you want to accomplish in your life and business. Other names for this might be dream board, wish board, treasure map. We ask clients to think through these vision topics: personal, which can include fitness and health, business, spiritual, relationship, and financial goals or dreams. When I wrote out my vision, it turned about 3 pages long. But if you use a vision board, it will be a collage of words and pictures that represent what you would have written. When you put them all in one place, you can easily visualize them regularly. Daily reminders are very helpful in making sure that you reach these dreams. You want to surround yourself with images of your ideal life. Think through questions like who you want to be. What does a dream day look like? Who is in your life? What toys do you want to have? How do you want to serve? Where do you want to live and vacation? And what do you want to accomplish in life? Your vision board can be made using physical products like cork boards or poster boards, but if you don't have those items readily available, many people are using online graphic design options or simply using a Word document as your blank palette.
Okay, then let me ask, why make a vision board? What's the purpose?
Well, the purpose is to bring your vision alive. Have clarity. This is especially helpful when you get bogged down, slogging through the everyday work you need to achieve your goals. Your vision board can inspire and motivate you to keep going. The best way to achieve your goals is to keep them in front of you. When you see them regularly, you begin to look for ways to get closer to achieving those goals. Vision boards serve perfectly for that once you find a strategic place to put them. Mine is right above my computer where I can see it when I'm working or playing music in my office studio. We've learned that visualization activates creative powers in your subconscious mind, and that's a big deal.
You're right. Jack Canfield has put it this way, and I quote, "Your brain will begin to work tirelessly to achieve the statements you give your subconscious mind. And when those statements are the affirmations and images of your goals, you're destined to achieve them."
Well, here's a fun hack to get used to looking at your board. Make a to-do item on your task list, something like review my vision. Then look at your board or access your computer version.
Next question. How do we make an inspiring vision board?
Well, before you start, it's good to spend some time thinking through some of the things that are most important to you. You can revisit the 5 vision topics: personal, business, spiritual, relationship, and financial, as well as to picture your perfect life. Ask yourself, what do I want out of life in these areas? And don't be afraid to dream big. Really dig in and explore what is important to you and the feelings you'd feel when you're living that ideal life. If you're preparing a vision journal instead, be sure to write in first person and present tense as if the ideal life was here. That's an important step for helping you visualize more effectively. You might find it helpful to even write out your goals and categorize them into short and long-term goals. Try to focus mainly on goals you can accomplish within 12 months. Some people say it's helpful to make a new vision board every year. There is a tendency to dream bigger when you start reaching your goals. So some would say not to remove a vision achieved because it can be a positive reminder of the system. You'll also need to gather some supplies. A poster board, bulletin, corkboard, whatever, a big stack of different magazines, and if you don't have your own pile in the basement, you can ask for old copies at libraries, hair salons, medical offices. You get the idea. When you have a variety of different magazines, you'll see different pictures and ads and words will pop. So you also need glue. And a tip that I learned from some crafty people I know, don't use Elmer's. It makes the pages ripple. Rubber cement is a better option. You'll also maybe need pins or tacks if you're using a bulletin board. Once you've got your supplies, there are 4 simple steps to create your vision board. Ready?
Yep.
Step 1, collect. Go through those magazines, tear out any images that speak to you, inspire you, make you smile. Don't question it, just tear it out. These are affirmation words you can find: joyful, abundant, powerful, fearless, loved. What comes to mind for you? For example, I cut out the word family. Now I'll also put pictures of my family, but having that word will jump out and be powerful. So have fun with this step. Focus on how you feel with your picture choices. You may even want to play some favorite music while you're doing this. And if you don't have magazines, remember you can do online with any image. You don't have to have those usage rights because it's your vision board for your eyes only. Step 2 is to arrange. Look at what you've got and lay them out on your board. You can do this in collage style or by topic or progression, whatever. The design is up to you. Each picture should tell a story and elicit a positive emotion. You may not even know why you chose some of the pictures you did in step 1, and that's okay. You'll realize you've collected some that aren't going to even make the cut, and you can eliminate them. I've kept an envelope of those unused clippings in case I want to update my board and they feel right at a later date. Step 3, attach. Now it's time to glue them, pin them, whatever, make them permanent on your board. You can add extra artistic touches with paint or markers or other textures. Number 4, display it. Find a place to hang your vision board in a place where you'll see it often.
Okay, now what are some best practices for using your vision board effectively?
Okay, well first display it where you can see it and spend time each day visualizing, affirming, believing, and internalizing your goals. I like to review my board every day or every night for sure before I go to sleep to prompt my subconscious mind to come up with new ideas to achieve my goals. That way I wake up in the morning overflowing with motivation. The important thing is to remember your vision board or your journal is for you. It depicts your goals and dreams. We should never compare our vision boards to others. Be sure you have used words and images that resemble your purpose in life, like your ideal future. Picture yourself living in that life and be grateful for everything you currently have and what you have yet to come. If this is a new habit for you, give yourself time to commit to reviewing and imagining at least once daily. Whether you're just starting your business or been in it for a while, it's always good to revisit your vision and be clear on who you are and what you want.
We suggest this exercise, creating a vision board, during step 1 of our signature course, Your Pathway to Profit. To learn more about Your Pathway to Profit, schedule a Pathway to Profit assessment with Dana, and you'll find a link in the comments below. We'll explore together where you are on your own pathway and determine what your next step should be. You'll walk away with actionable steps and clarity on your own business alignment. Schedule your call today.
You can also watch our next video that explains your pathway to profit and why you definitely want to know where you are on the path. In the meantime, we hope you enjoy constructing your own vision board and/or journal. God's blessings to you.